Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If Windows search bar is not working on your system, then watch this video to fix it. Now the first thing we need to do is simply restart the PC. It may start working again like magic. So click on the start button, click on the power button and click on restart. Now if it doesn't work, then we need to restart the search bar. Go to the task manager and then here we'll click on details. Alright, and we'll look for searchhost.exe. Click on this, click on end task and then click on end process and it should start working. Now if it doesn't, then we need to run some scans. Alright, so we will go to command prompt, click on run as administrator. In the elevated command prompt we will use the command sfc space /scannow and press enter. I am not pressing enter because this will take quite some time and I want to keep this video short for your convenience. So once the SFC scan is done running, then we will do another scan, and that is DISM space /online space /cleanup hyphen image space /restore health, and we press enter. Again, this will take quite some time and wait for the scan to finish. And even if it's not, while it's running, while the scan is running, we can do some other solutions, or we can try some other fixes also. So we'll look for indexing options. Okay, and then we will click on troubleshoot search and indexing in indexing options. Now check the box which seems right to you. So obviously you can't start a search to see results because you can't access the search bar. The search bar is not working. And then search or indexing is slow probably, and then click on next, and then you can write a brief description and you can click on next and it will start working, and this should fix the problem. But if it doesn't, then we need to rebuild the Windows search index. So also look for indexing options and click on advanced, and then we will click on rebuild. Click on OK and it should rebuild your search index, and probably by now it should start working because these solutions should fix it right away. But if it doesn't, then there's two other things we can do which will definitely make it work. One is to clear the search history. So we will right click on the start bar, look for settings. In settings we will go to privacy and security, and we will look for search permissions. Now we will go down and here you can see clear device search history. Click on it and this will clear your history, and then you just do a Windows update. Right click, go to settings, go to Windows update and then click on check for updates. Once that is done, install the updates, go to advanced option, optional updates, and you can update any drivers here, and then just restart the computer and click on restart and your search bar should start working. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.